This factory never slows down. Every second, thousands of products move through this line. Not dozens. Not hundreds. Thousands. There is no pause button here. No reset. No second chance. One small mistake, and everything is ruined. What you're seeing right now looks smooth. Controlled. Almost effortless. But that calm surface is misleading. Because underneath it, this entire operation is balanced on pressure. Constant pressure. Relentless pressure. The kind that never gives you time to think. These machines run all day. And all night. They don't get tired. They don't slow down. They don't wait for anyone. They move at speeds humans can't keep up with. Speeds where hesitation isn't an option. Temperatures must stay exact. Not close. Exact. Pressures must stay stable. Not almost right. Perfectly balanced. And timing. Timing must be flawless. Down to fractions of a second. Every part of this line depends on the next one. If one slows down, everything behind it piles up. And when things pile up in a factory like this, they don't pile up quietly. There's no room to stop here. Stopping costs thousands of dollars per minute. Sometimes more. So instead of stopping the system, they do something far more difficult. They control it. They keep it moving, while correcting problems in real time. No dramatic shutdowns. No alarms screaming. Just constant adjustments, happening beneath the surface. And that's where things start to get dangerous. Because failure here doesn't come from chaos. It comes from something small. One valve. One sensor. One tiny adjustment most people would never notice. If this temperature rises too high, the entire batch is lost. If this roller shifts even slightly, products jam. Machines strain. Components wear down faster than they should. And when that happens, damage spreads fast. The line doesn't warn you loudly. It whispers first. A vibration that wasn't there before. A sound that changes just a little. A number that looks slightly wrong. Right here. This is the moment everything could fail. The pressure climbs. The system hesitates. For a split second, the line loses its rhythm. This is how disasters start. Not with explosions. Not with sparks flying. But with delays. Measured in milliseconds. One mistake here doesn't ruin one product. It ruins thousands. And once the line falls out of sync, getting it back under control becomes harder every second. Machines don't panic, but the system reacts instantly. Corrections had to happen fast, or they don't happen at all. This is where precision saves everything. A small adjustment, barely visible. A controlled response, timed perfectly. Pressure brought back into balance. Slowly, the machines find their rhythm again. Numbers stabilize. Sounds smooth out. The harsh vibrations fade into a steady mechanical hum. The line keeps moving, uninterrupted. No one watching from the outside would ever know how close it came to failure. Products move perfectly again. Packed. Stacked. Aligned with machine-level precision. Boxes close cleanly. Pallets form neat, uniform rows. Everything looks calm. Predictable. Safe. And that's exactly how it's supposed to look. Most people will never know how close this line came to shutting down. They'll never hear the warning signs, never see the numbers drift. But in places like this, perfection isn't accidental. It's built, moment by moment, under pressure.